Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to check transaction limit on Paxful. To check your transaction limits on Paxful, launch open the Paxful application and log into your account. After you're inside the homepage of Paxful, scroll down until you see the My Limits option. There, you will be able to see the limits for buying, selling, and transferring cryptocurrency. Your limits may vary depending on your account verification level, so you may need to complete additional verification steps to increase them. That is how you will be able to find your limits for your transaction on Paxful account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.